the best, Chef Moti.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Chef Mote, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure working with you from 2019 until 2023. So long. Thank you and all the best from Angkanara team.
Thank you, chef, for all the support for the last 1 year. Well done, chef. Best of luck.
Thank you, Moti. All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best, Chef Moti.
Chef Muti, we are love you and we are Papa. You are the best for we us. We love you ค่ะ
All the best. Bye bye.
Wish you all the best, Chef Moti, and thank you for the month we worked together. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. All the best.
All the best, Chef. Thank you, Chef Moti.
Chef Moti, thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure working together, and thank you so much for making sure that our meeting got taken care of and preparing the menus on time.
All the best, Chef. Thank you.
All the best, Chef.
Thank you, Chef Moti, for your support, for your guidance, everything. Thank you so much, Chef. Thank you, Chef, for your support and your job. Thank you so much. Hope we are meet again somewhere. Thank you, Chef. Wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best.
All the best, chef, for your
Thank you so much, Chef. You are always motivate us. Thank you so much. Best of luck.
Thank you, Chef Moti, for our support.
All the best, Chef. All the best, Chef.
All the best to Moti Chef.
All the best, Chef, and the best. Good luck to you and your new career, your adventure. Best of luck.
Nice to work with you, Chef. We'll miss you. All the best, Chef. Thank you.
Wish you all the best, Chef. Thank you. I wish you all the best, Chef. See you again around. Best of luck. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Good luck, Chef Moti. Wish you all the best.
All the best, Chef.
All the best, Chef.
All the best, Chef.
Nice to working with you. We had nice time to work with you. Thank you.
My friend, wishing you all the best. Bye bye.